Hey chaps, just a quickie. Tony is converting our dry bead blaster experience to a wet one. Tone, do that. Hit that little switch again. Ooh. So what's that going to do then? That used to turn on the air.
Still does,
in
but
there.
now,
yeah.
After the air comes on, a microsecond after, the pump will come on, so we don't get any water feedback through into the airline.
So that's going to be both operate air and water pump at the same time,
yeah,
or with a few seconds in between.
Yeah, but I'm doing it at 12 volts, so off a car battery.
Okay.
So we don't get fried.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man, because it's going to be wet.
Yeah, water in 248, so what you do.
So we got this, what's it called? A Tsurumi Japanese water pump with some. It sort of comes out of the pump, goes back down into the. That's where your water and media is, and this thing here keeps the media in suspension. It keeps turning it around, and then that will feed the gun into the that thing there, the bead blasting cabinet. Oops. Sorry. And that will give us, hopefully, our own homemade vapor blasting capacity to be able to turn out carburetors like this. In-house, you know, the finish.
Awesome.